Alright, here are the little cutie pies. Maisie's puppies are 1 week old. They're doing great. They're all little piggies. You can see they have really nice chunky bellies on them. And so the orange collar and green collar, those are the 2 black males. We have this guy, that's our yellow male, our yellow female, and our black female. On the fun. She's such a good mama. She is probably one of the cleanest mamas that I have had in a really long time. She takes such good care of her puppies.